Hi everyone. In this video, I am going to explain how you can use your Casio calculator for solving simultaneous equations. So I have got a simultaneous equation right in front of me, and I'm going to explain how we can use our calculator to solve this simultaneous equation. In order to solve this simultaneous equation, you have to go on equation option, press the exe button. You will see the option that you have got for simultaneous is F1. So press the F1 key. Now the number of unknowns that we have got in our question were 2, x and y. So we will say 2, and this 2 corresponds to this button F1. Now you start writing the equation. You can see there is a particular way in which they want the equation to be entered. They want it to be ax plus by is equal to c. So you need to convert the equation, like for example in our question we have got 6x plus 2y plus 6 is equal to 0. You need to make sure that your constant term is on the other side, is it in the right hand side, and then you have to enter the values. So let's rewrite it in a format in which we can enter this value in our calculator. So we have to write 6x plus 2y is equal to -6, and the second equation that we will have will be 7x minus 5y is equal to, if I have to get rid of this -93, that means I'm adding 93 to both sides. So these two will get cancelled, and on the right hand side I will have 103. So I will have 7x minus 5y is equal to 103. Now we have rewritten it in the format in which we can enter it in our calculator. So let's start entering the values. So we have to first enter the coefficient of x, and for the first equation the coefficient of x is 6. I will press exe. Then the coefficient of y, which is 2 in this case, and then the constant term. So here we have got -6, so I will enter -6. For the second equation, the coefficient of x is 7, the coefficient of y is -5, and the constant term on the right hand side is 1, 0 and 3. Then we will press exe, we'll get our answer, click on F1 which is for solve, and we got our answer. X is equal to 4 and y is equal to -15. So that's my answer.